Alright guys, John London here again with a quick tutorial showing you how you can edit your Elementor website on WordPress. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit the menu. So this is the menu I've currently got. I've got my my home page, which you're on now. Got my about page. Okay, so I'm not going to take you through the whole site because sometimes it's a little bit slow loading up, but you get the general idea. Each one of these tabs takes you through to a different page. Okay, so what we're going to do to add a new menu item is go into the back end of WordPress. Under Appearance is where you're going to find your menus. Okay, so you click on the menu tab there. And you can see this is what I've just shown you on the home page, the home, about, contact and start here. So if you want to add another page, we're going to all pages now. And then all we're going to do is click Add New. So just for this video, we're going to call this Learn Now. Okay, so that is now our new page. Learn Now. We're going to go back into WordPress. And then we're going to scroll down to Appearance and then click on that menu. Then all you're going to do, add menu items. Under here you're going to click on the new page you just created, so in my case it's Learn Now, and then all you're going to do is add to menu, which will add to this menu here, and then all you're going to do is just save menu. Okay, so now you can see that's been added to the main menu. So we go back to the main home page. Let's just refresh it, and then you should see it coming around here. Learn Now. I'm going to show you another way you can edit your menu. You come back into your menu. All you need to do is just drag it, and you can drop it. So I've basically put it under Start here. So this becomes like a sub menu, or sub item as it's called here. So when you save this, it will show up slightly different on the home page. So let me just refresh this now. Let's refresh the home page, and you'll see how this works. Okay, so that menu item has now gone, but when you hover over the top of it, Learn Now has become a sub-menu item. So that's it really. There's two sort of different ways you can add new menu items to your navigation menu. It's really simple, and I hope it's helped you. Take care.